Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now. Friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction of wing coin. What's the price change goes and wing coin, what's the high price of wing, and what's the current status of wing in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the live price prediction of wing crypto. What's the price change goes and the wing in the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour, as you can see here. And if we look the average change occur in the wing coin, so the wing coin average change as negative 6.9% change occur in the wing, and the last 1 hour absolutely a bad change occur, and the high price of wing is about $0.002074 is the high price of wing in the last 1 hour. So friends, if we look the average change, the price chart analysis of the wing, so it's frequently falling down. As you can see here, frequent falls of the wing coin are starts now from this period, as you can see here. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's the change goes and the last 2 hour as they jumping upward, as they fall down in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, the previous last 1 hour is a continuously as a frequently process of the falling. As you can see here, continuously falls down. So friends, if we see the average change occur in the wing coin in the last 2 hours, so the average change is negative 3.73% average change occur in the last 2 hours, and the high price of wing coin is about $0.002095 is the high price of wing coin in the previous last 2 hours, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hours, the both changes are in negative, as you know, as I show you in this video. So my suggestion for all of wing coin, if you are a holder, so please my suggestion for you to hold your wing coin, because currently they are also in the funds and you found a loss when you sell it at this time. So please hold it. With the end of this month, the big pumps are coming soon, so wait for your time, wait for the wing coin big explosion, and please hold your coin in the last of this month. And if you want to buy a wing coin, so it's a bad time to buy a wing coin. Please wait when the wing coin start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy a wing coin at this time. So remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and share your opinion in the comment box. What's your opinion about wing coin? Thank you so much for watching this video.